Most Maryland counties, with the exception of the Eastern Shore counties, are seeing slower buyer activity as homes begin to come on the market for spring. It's Friday, March 22nd, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. With the spring market in bloom, we are seeing contracts, and many home sellers are still getting multiple offers on their homes. Baltimore, Charles, Howard, and Washington counties have seen a slight rise in buyer activity, while other counties are slow or have limited buyer activity. This is good news for buyers looking for homes in the slower areas, but that doesn't mean that decisions can be delayed, with data indicating homes are still going under contract very quickly. 919 homes are coming soon, falling from a prior report. 1,834 homes hit the market, a steep rise over past weeks. 758 went under contract in an impressive rise. 1,110 moved to pending, also an increase this week. 1,187 sold at 100% list to sold ratio and falling to 11 days. The highest priced home to sell was in Gibson Island for $3,300,000. Rentals available are at $2,159 for $2,300. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, March 22nd, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.